Let's learn how to capture a long screenshot. In this Samsung Galaxy A05s mobile, we don't want to download third-party application to capture long screenshot. Normally, we can capture a screenshot by pressing volume down key and power key on same time. After we can capture a screenshot. Now let's learn how to capture a long screenshot. In here I cannot capture a long screenshot, so I open my mobile Play Store. In here I can capture a long screenshot. You can press your mobile volume down key and power key on same time. After immediately press this down arrow icon. Now our screenshot is continually capturing, you can see. Okay, let's check our captured screenshot. This is our long screenshot. In this method, you can capture a long screenshot very easily. Now, this is bonus tip. I will tell you how to capture a screenshot without pressing your volume down key and power key. You can capture a screenshot using your mobile notification panel. Swipe down your notification panel. After, you can see the screenshot button. Now this mobile, we cannot show this screenshot button. So we want to add this. To add this icon, click on this plus button. In here, you can see available buttons. Take screenshot. You can drag and drop this take screenshot button to your notification panel area. Okay, after we can see take screenshot button is appear on our notification panel. Now we don't want to press our volume down key and power key to capture a screenshot. We can easily press this take screenshot button and we can capture screenshots like this. I think this feature is very helpful to you.